This is the training video for the hourly weather data tool on the KVH website. There are a number of weather stations around the country that weather data is collected from. Most weather stations should show data up to the last hour. This video will guide you through how to access and browse this weather data. The start date and stop date specifies the period you would like to look at. Type in a date with the format day/month/year, or click on the icon to pop up a calendar to help you choose a date. Click on a date to select it. Select the weather station to use. Click on the triangle to the right of the station box to bring up a full list of stations. Alternatively, to view a map of the available weather stations, click on the Stations Map link. The station will always default to the one you specified when you first accessed these MetWatch tools. You can update your default station by selecting a station, then clicking on the default station link. When you make changes in the options, the results will grey out to help remind you to click the update button to apply them. If you changed an option by mistake, click on the reset button to undo any change made since you last clicked the update button. This will ungrey out the results. The results are separated into two sections: weather data and weather graphs. Each can be contracted and expanded by clicking on their headings. The weather graphs section shows the 4 hourly weather graphs. Holding your cursor over one of the plots on the graphs will show its details in the tooltip. The top graph is the wind speed and direction. Wind direction is along the top x-axis. The next graph is the leaf wetness and relative humidity. Leaf wetness is the orange bar plot. The next graph is a spray drift risk model, which has 4 categories of risk from best conditions to not recommended. The bottom graph is the temperature and rainfall. The temperature scale is on the left axis, the rainfall scale is on the right. The date time on the bottom axis of this graph applies for all the graphs above it. The dark vertical bands represent nighttime. The maroon shaded area with backward slanting lines is displayed when data is missing. The weather data section shows the hourly weather record table. The table has 12 columns and each row represents 1 hour. The first 2 columns shows the date and period this record is for. The next 8 columns are for average air temperature, calculated dew point, total rainfall, average leaf wetness, average relative humidity, average wind speed and direction. The remaining 2 columns indicate when data is missing and, if available, when backup data has been substituted in for missing data. Thanks for watching. For more help using these tools, contact info@kvh.org.nz.